Yep. Black Girl Stocks official merch is now live, so you can either scroll down and click underneath this video, or you can go over to teesprings.com. We have t-shirts, different colors, different sizes, crew necks, sweatshirts, and I got the MACD tee specifically for my fellas. What's up, fellas? Go ahead, get the socks, make an outfit out of it. Get rich, stay rich, everything positive. You already know how we do. So go ahead, check out Black Girl Stocks official merch.
Foxtail from the D.
Hello? Hey, what's up, YouTube? I apologize about that. I tried to get fancy and change some settings on this little stream stuff. I really still don't have it together, so I just put it back to where it was before. So now we are back where we were. So we're a little bit behind today, but that's okay. So let's just start off fresh. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Foxtail Digital coming to you again with Black Girl Stocks, and this is our Sunday live chat. So today we're just going to talk about a few stocks that we see value in. To be honest with you, I have a few stocks. I only pick out about 4 because I really want you guys to have some requests. So let's see. Okay, we have Sun, what's up? Florida in the house. Manifest Destiny, what's up? Angel, MKO, Kevin, Devony, Ranisha, Janique, Cindy, Kalia, Huey. Oh no, I'm not about to say that. You're not about to mess up my monetization. Stop. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So let me get up my Thinkorswim over here. Close that. Just give me 1 second, you guys. And also, if you hear a party outside, there is a little, a little fiesta going on outside. It's somebody's birthday, so they've been setting it up all afternoon. Oh wow. Okay, thank you, Cindy Lee, for $25 super chat. Happy Sunday to you. And I don't even know if this is... Okay, let me see. I hope that's in the right setting. I moved something. Okay, let me move this. Okay, you guys. So, if you've been watching our Sunday lives, we pretty much do the same thing. Every Sunday, I'm just going to give you a few stocks. I'm going to put the actual stocks right here, underneath here. So this one that I'm looking at right now is QFIN. So let me change that right here. This is going to be the first stock that I'm going to talk about. And in the comment section, if you have a request, I want you to, 1, put the ticker symbol. So like I have here, QFIN ticker symbol. Let me know if you want to swing trade or day trade so I can know what time frame to look at. Are you trying to buy it or sell it in the same day or over a couple of days to a week, a month, whatever. And also just let me know why. Does it have a good RSI pattern? Is it something with the MACD, something with the indicator or news, something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this first stock here. This is QFIN. It's currently at $23.76 per share. Now, I want you guys to know that all the stocks that I'm picking for you have options available. So when I say options available, that means that you will be able to trade options on these stocks. For the most part, I do options trading. So, it is what it is. So yeah, options trading with a price range between maybe $5 to $50 for the underlying stock. So you can do uptrending, or excuse me, a long call, because I like uptrending stocks. So just looking at this, I like this stock because 1, it has a nice pattern with the RSI down here. So you see how it is, overbought and oversold a few times over. Right here, the reason why this looks like it's not, you know, a lot of movement like it is right here, because the price didn't move that much. But right here we had a lot of volume. You see right here the volume's kind of low. So with an increase in volume, we have increase in price movement. And so right here, we're kind of in between a support and resistance right here. So we have a previous support of, what is this? About 2150 range, and a resistance of 2750. So we're right in between there. The RSI is clearly oversold. So in my opinion right here, and also I just wanted to say another thing, I'm kind of starting to pick up on my patterns. I never really talked about patterns on the channel, but like you see right here, you see how you have this high right here of 34.96, a high right here, a high right here, a high. The highs are getting lower, and you see this low right here, low, low, low. The lows are kind of getting higher. So you have lower highs, higher lows, and you're going to have this crossover right here with these trend lines here. So there's a possibility for a breakout right here. So that's why I picked this stock, because it has a lot of opportunity to reach, you know, back up to this $34. Like I said, right now it's $23 per share. If you had an option contract on this and it went from 23 to 34, I mean, that's, you know, that's pretty good. So that's why I picked this stock. And also right here you see the MACD. It's pretty close to the center purple line right here. So this is a good indication that the stock is hopefully going to continue on this uptrend. And I'm looking at this right here. You see this light blue MACD line is looking like it's about to pop above the yellow signal line, and I'm seeing some green right here. So we'll see what happens next week. I'm definitely going to be putting this on my weekly Sunday stock live watch list. So I don't know if you guys have started doing that. Oop, hold on, what is my crypto doing? Ooh, it kind of dropped a little bit. That's okay. Yeah, but yeah, make sure that you guys have your watch list for, you know, Sunday stock live, and, you know, maybe RSI indicators, anything like that. So just make sure you're having watch list. Dogecoin, yes, definitely. What's up, Calvin? Caleb? What's up? Sanji? Okay, I'm not going to be talking too much about any crypto in the live. I don't know if we can even pull that up in here. Let's pull it up real quick. If you want to talk about Dogecoin. Hold on. If I can pull it up in Thinkorswim, we can talk about it, because I do have... Doesn't look like it. Yeah, I can't do that. I'm sorry, you guys. The skincare routine, water. I need whatever she's drinking. Do you own any game? No, I sold out of all of my GameStop and AMC, so I'm currently not holding any of that. Okay, so we're gonna get into one stock right here. This is from Izzy. And this is, oh, Workhorse. Ooh, okay. So let's change that right here. Hold on, you guys. Oops. All right, so the stock that we are talking about right now is Workhorse. I mean, I remember, you know, early last year, the stock was doing very well. You see right here, it hit a high of 41.77. That's back, you know, in February. So that wasn't even that long ago. It hit a very, very good low point right here. But I'm seeing, you know, some support and resistance right here, but it's still kind of trending downward. And there's, you know, not a lot of volume right now. The RSI is low, so, you know, it could possibly break out above this resistance point right here. What is this at 1467? So I mean, if you went from 1323 to 14, that would be cute. But we would just have to see with this one. The MACD is looking okay. The MACD line is kind of trading above the yellow signal, and the volume kind of look like, it's kind of trying to go somewhere with that. So, we'll see what happens with this one. We'll see what happens with Workhorse. I don't know what happened. Happy 1-year anniversary. Thank you so much, Charles. What? Huey, good options with an expiration on 4/23. Okay, what's today? Okay, yeah, so that's not too far off. BB, okay. All right, I'm gonna do Groom, and then I'm gonna do you next. Who is this? Hold on, just give me a second. Let me change all this. This isn't too bad. I feel like I'm kind of getting the hang of this. So this is BV. That's kind of an interesting name. I don't know how I like about that. Okay, you guys, I see we have 91 people right now in the chat and 20 likes. I need you guys to make sure that you're liking this video. Like this video, because we're talking about some good stocks right now. So make sure you like it, subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm not playing. So this is from Groom, and then we're going with Marcia next. So I changed that right there. And let's do that. Wow. Okay. Okay, you guys already know what I like. First of all, this is obviously an uptrending stock, higher highs, higher lows. The RSI is clearly predictable. I'm about to put out a video. It's probably going to be tomorrow. I'm not even on front. But look at how predictable the RSI is with the overbought and oversold. The MACD is pattern. I like to see this uptrend. I don't know if you already have this stock. Let me see. Does this have options? Can you do options on this? You can do options on this, and the stock is only $18. I'm going to write this down. I think this is one of the ones we had last week, isn't it? Sometimes I forget, you guys. I don't think so. No, we had BP, not BB. Okay, well, I'm going to write that down for me, BB. This is cute. But yeah, it has an uptrend. I kind of see... you see these points here. I see a little support at 16, 16, and right now it just hit a high of 1858. So right now the RSI isn't too overbought. It still has room to grow. It might go a little bit further, or it might drop a little bit, but it's still uptrending. So would I get into this right now? To be honest with you, I would wait. Just going back from previous patterns, when it was at its highs, it was at, around this RSI right here. Just looking at, the last 4 highs. So I'm not going to say that it's going to drop, but it might drop. So I would wait until the RSI is down, a little bit down again around at this 30. And I just want to mention again, I really like looking at the uptrending stocks, and after reading a novel from, I didn't read the novel, but I read an article about a novel from Candace Brown about the RSI, using the RSI differently than what we've previously been doing. If you're looking at an uptrending stock, change your RSI, overbought and oversold, from 70 to 80. So if overbought, change that from 70 to 80, and then oversold, change that from 30 to 40. And it's just going to give you more room for it to grow with an uptrending stock. And then if it's downtrending, you're going to change it from 70 to 60 and 30 to 20, I think. I don't know. It's just the numbers change a little bit. I don't know. I'm going to do a video on that. But anyways, this is uptrending. I think it might drop. So just keep your eye on this. It's looking cute overall. And yeah, so that was good. I said I was gonna do Marcia next, so I'm gonna do that. Wait, which? Oh, okay. You said what strategy for QFIN? Okay. Let me show you. Let's go back to that. Hold on. Because I wrote some notes for this. I want to show you guys something for this. When you're doing options, and this is in the platform TD Ameritrade Think or Swim, what I literally just found out today. If you're looking at the options column, oh God, what did I do? Option, okay. These are your strike prices right here, and you have your months to the side. So I normally, like I said, I'll probably do something, maybe I'll probably do May for this. And if you look over here to your far right, you're going to see right here, this little percentage right here, that's going to be your implied volatility. And then there's the plus or minus right there. So like I said, if you guys have watched about Tiblio, with this, the marker maker move, the plus or minus right here. So this says plus or minus 5. And then even right here, this says plus or minus 2. So that's just a prediction of the price movement of this stock. Plus or minus $2.53 here. And right here with this expiration of May 21st, there's a prediction of $5.16. So just keep in mind for that. I don't know if you guys are using Thinkorswim, but I just found that out and I think it's nice. The stock is trading at $23, so I would probably pick something in the money. I would probably do this 22.5 strike price. Oh, it's kind of high. 302. We'll see. I don't know. And then the probability of it being in the money, what is this? 53. Cutting it close. I'm gonna wait and see for this one. Yeah, I'm still gonna wait and see for this because, like I said, you know, it does have a pattern right here, but you know, this movement wasn't too much. She could have a high price movement up, or she could continue going down. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not eager to jump into anything, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into the next one. Okay. Hey, what's up, Chasing Pride? Do I use Webull, Willis? Yes, I do most of my trades on Webull. I do have some trades in Robinhood, but mostly I use Webull. And for my stock lives, I like to use Thinkorswim because this is what I do most of my technical analysis on. So, you know. Can I go through the steps in purchasing an option? I might not have time to do that on live, but I definitely have, you know, videos on that. And if I don't have any stop losses, I have been planning on making a video on the different types of buy and sell orders. So, yeah. I'm writing down notes. Okay. Okay, this is from Anita FSR. So let me change that. Change it over here. Oops. I like to have it capitalized. Okay, so this is FSR. Wow. Okay. I mean, obviously, as you guys see right here, it just hit a high of $30.84. This was back, you know, March 2nd, so early March. And, you know, to be honest with you, it's been downtrending ever since. The RSI has not been giving me anything since. Look at it, you know, basic pumps, basic movement. I don't know, you know, I don't know what to tell you about this one. You know, it's $13.13, so you can definitely probably do some type of stop loss, not stop loss, but you can do a put option or some type of short sell on this, because obviously it's, you know, it's in a bearish trend right now. So, you know, there's always money to be made there with, you know, either the small, you know, the small trend ups right here. But yeah, I would just say look and see with this one. Can you do options on that? Yeah, it has options. You know, you can do some puts. And see, look, even they know. What is this, April 21st? Hold on. Let's look at the May. Look at how high these puts are versus these calls. They know it's dropping. So if you want to do some puts on that, you can do that. Short sell it. Just be careful. That's all I want to say. Okay, next one. I'm just gonna do one more of my picks, and this is gonna be EAF. So I'm gonna put this in here. I'm gonna pin it here. I'm gonna put it there. I don't know if that changed it the last time. I hope it did. Okay. Wow, that's golly. Okay, so the reason why I picked this one, it has a decent RSI pattern. So you see right here, I always like to look at it from at least 3 months out, and the RSI and MACD patterns, and obviously the swing ups and swing lows, higher highs, higher lows, whatever you want to call it. I'm seeing patterns right here, and it's looking like it would be on average about a month in between a swing. You can kind of gauge in between the swings. So I'm seeing it's going to be at least two weeks to 1 month in between the swing right here. We just had a high, and it wasn't the highest high, but it was a high at, what is this? 1268. You know, that's okay. Kind of had a drop right here. The RSI is fairly low, so we have room to grow. And we could reach back up here to this 1271 or higher. So, I mean, that's still some movement upwards. Like I said, this does have options. So, there's something that you can get with this one. It's not huge. Ooh. That's my dog. And like I said, it's uptrending. It's kind of looking like it's looking like it's kind of hitting some support and resistance, trading in between these price levels right here. So I don't know how long it's going to stay there or if it's going to move upwards. So that's another thing to look at with this stock too. So let's get back into the comments. American Airlines pretty flat right now. Yeah, I do actually have an option contract with American Airlines right now because they have an earnings report coming up. So the reason why I kind of liked American Airlines is, hold on, let me change this right here. So we're looking at American Airlines right now. Okay. The reason why I liked it is because, once again, RSI patterns are super predictable. The RSI is very low right now. And also, kind of similar to the first stock that I was talking about, you see these lower highs. Let me zoom in. You have a high of 25.61, that's a high. Then you have a lower high of 24.57. But then down here, your lows are gaining. So you have, they're gaining in value. I see $20. What is this? $21, $22. So that's going higher, and then you're seeing these this overcross with your trend lines here. So that does have potential for a breakout, but we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. They have an earning report coming up, so we'll see with that. We'll see. Okay. Robert said, I like the dog. We're gonna get it. Thank you so much, Steve. What's up, Calvin? Okay, so we'll do this next one. This is Riot. Let me change this over here. This is moving so smooth. I love this. Okay, I pinned it there. Wow, this looks almost, you know, pretty similar to the American Airlines. So, you know, you had this high of 81. This was back in February, so mid-February. It's kind of been dropping since there. So you have these lower highs, but then you also have some higher lows recently that just started late, what is that, late March. So we might have a breakout right here. I'm not sure. She might surpass this previous support right here. What is this at? 68? I mean, if she goes from 44 to 68, that would be a great price movement. I would be here for that. The RSI is showing that that is a possibility. So we'll just see. I would wait for a crossover with the MACD and also the EMA lines. I say the same thing every live, you already know. So yeah, we'll just see what happens with that one. Okay. So how long have we been on here? 26. Okay, I mean, it's gonna go. All right, the next one. Thank you, 49KT Red Gold. Thank you so much. ATL Diva. That looks like teaspoon, so I'm gonna do that one. So let me change this. And let me change this over here. So this, I mean, all these stocks that we're talking about are looking, for the most part, pretty good. What is this? Is this new? I'm not sure if this is a new, like maybe IPO, because I'm only seeing movement from, wait, hold on. What is this? April. So, I mean, if this is new, it's looking cute. Look at the MACD. I'm not, you know, we're not seeing any RSI movement yet. It takes time for that to develop. But the MACD, you know, the blue MACD line is very much so over your signal line, and this huge gap in between indicates this huge price movement. So that's why you saw movement of, what is it, 33 to, what is that, 40? So, I mean, it has room to grow. I really can't tell you too much because it's fairly new. So that will probably take some, you know, fundamental analysis on the company. But, I mean, it's looking good right now. So you can go ahead and get in there. I don't know. Do what you do. Okay. I'm going to look at the next stock that I want to talk about, and it is VIVO. So let's go ahead and let's get into that. Okay. And make sure you guys thumbs up this video. It really helps the channel. Click that thumbs up button. We have 79 likes, 175 viewers. What's up? Click that thumbs up. Okay. I really like the way we have this set up though. Like, it's not that bad. All right, so this stock chart is crazy. Okay, so you know the stock is uptrending. RSI patterns are okay. I like how this RSI is oversold. It's kind of hitting a low right here, but you see how we are having higher lows. The highs are, you know, they're doing a little bit. And then also right here, you see this white line right here. That's my 50-day EMA. I like how the stock is, it was kind of trading above that. You have this huge dip here. So I'm hoping that the stock is going to start to trade above that. Looking at the MACD line right here, it's looking like it might do a crossover. I like that the RSI is low because it just gives it room to grow and all that rhymes. What is this? I know I need to do the video on indicators. Thank you so much, $5 super chat from IB Rayshawn. That's cute. I like that. I do want to do some individual videos on indicators because there's so many different ways that you can use them. They do say and recommend don't use them individually, but you want to use them in pairs. So you can use, I use 3 at a time, and actually more than that. On this chart right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm seeing at least 6 different indicators. I'm seeing support and resistance, the moving averages, 2 different EMA lines, the MACD and the RSI. So I like to use indicators. That's just what I like. And I'm gonna do that video, I promise. I promise. All right. So that was my third stock. I have one more. Thank you so much for the super chat. Let's get into it. Classy Mob, that's me. Hey, hope you have a great Sunday. Thank you so much. After this live, I'm about to go and get some food. So thank you so much. Robert said, I like your perspective. Thank you. I appreciate that. I use MACD, RSI, MA. I do use Bollinger Bands on my Robinhood on, because you really can't have that on your phone. The indicators on Webull, I use all of these, and I use the Bollinger Bands instead of the support and resistance. So, you know, you can do what you do. Efron. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm gonna do VRTX from Vic. Change this. Okay, and let me change it over here. Okay, you know what? I know normally seeing something like this, y'all would, I would freeze up. It's okay. It has been dropping a little bit, and that's okay. But what is good about this? Look at this. Ever since kind of, I guess, late February, it's been trading completely in between a price zone right here. I'm seeing a clear support at about $20 and resistance at, wait, not 20. Oh, girl, I can't. Not 20. 220. Okay, 220 and 209. So it's trading in between this zone right here. What you can do for something like this, I know this is kind of expensive, but it does have options. So if you guys are subscribed to Tiblio, actually after this stock, I'm gonna have a little break real quick. But if you guys are subscribed to Tiblio, they have different plays that you can do. For something like this, I would suggest doing possibly an iron condor or some type of spread. And the reason why I say that is because the stock is trading sideways. So you want to do something where you would gain value with whatever the stock is doing. So the stock isn't moving too much, you can do a spread. You could possibly do, I wouldn't say a long call or put, I would say a spread, iron condor, all that other stuff. There's a lot of different ones. The RSI, she's a little bit high right now, so she could drop for where she is right now. If you wanted to jump in there and do something quick and maybe, do a short put, she might drop. I don't know. Because that RSI is high. She just hit this recent resistance point, so she could drop. We'll see. And then the last thing I'll say about that, you see how this is how I'm using the indicators. You see how the stock price and both of the EMA lines are trading above that white 50-day moving average. That's a sign that the stock is dropping. MACD, that blue MACD line is dropping. Drop. RSI low, below 30. Drop, 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 drop. But then again, you see how the stock or the 50-day moving average is kind of trading in between or in the center of the price. That just showed you that the price isn't moving too much, and there's definitely a lot of support and resistance movement right here. So you can get in there and definitely get some profit if you want it. So that's all I have to say about VRTX. I feel like we talked about that like last week or a couple of weeks ago. It just seems familiar to me. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and take a brief, little intermission, and then we're going to come back. I only have one more stock, and I might take a couple of more, take a couple of more requests, and then I'll let you guys finish the rest of your Sunday. All right, hold on. All right. So this is Tiblio. It's an amazing service that you can sign up for. It's only $24.95 a month. That's literally less than a tank of gas, but make sure that you sign up with my link so you get your first month for $19.95. It offers a trading board for you so you can log all of your trades and get a good idea of your percentages of wins and losses. So you see here, I've been making some cute coins. Now, I really, really, really love the long call option plays where you can just go and pick uptrending stocks and continue to make profits off of those calls. They also have good credit spreads, so if you're interested in getting into any of those, this is a great way to find easy and profitable stocks. So check out Tiblio. Okay, so we are back. That was Tiblio. I don't know if you guys saw that. And then of course you already see I got that merch. So you'll see the merch below. I see that we have 110 likes, but we have like 170 people in here. I'm going to need y'all to click that thumbs up button right now. Click that thumbs up button and help your girl out. Mess with me. Alright, so let's get back in there. Doing too much. Alright. So, alright, this is from Angel. Wait, oh no. This is from Luna. I like that name. Can you review Siri? I'll do that. Let's see what that's talking about. So let me change this. And let me do it over here. Okay. Now, this stock is nice. It's $10.60 per share. It's been uptrending since it hit a low. This is last year, like last November. So it's been going up. The price has been trading for the most part above the 50-day moving average. So that's obviously giving you signs of it in an upwards trend. Right now, it did kind of drop below. But like I said, or not like I said, but as I'm about to say, and as you see, it just hit a high of $11.47. This was, what is this? Okay, this was on the 15th of March. So it just hit a high, it looks like it kind of sold off right there, but we're still having higher highs with our lows, even though we're having some dropping right there. Speaking of drop, let's drop right down here to the RSI. The RSI is looking low, and I'm seeing some swinging up right here. So we have a lot of room to grow here. The MACD is looking immaculate. It's it's trading right here. You see this purple line right here. This line is kind of important. I don't talk about it too much, but trading within this purple line, as long as it doesn't drop too. You see how it kind of dropped real low right here. There's a big price drop, and there's a lot of distance from this middle purple line here. So you really want to stay close to this line, and we're kind of close to the line. I'm seeing upwards trending. Does this have options? There's options available. So if I was going to do a play on this one, I guess I can say that I would do a long call. I would definitely do a long call because the RSI is low. We have some room to grow right here. And yeah, we'll see that. So thank you so much. $4.99 super chat for ATL Diva Extra Large. Thank you so much. And $5 super chat from Black Tactical. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you, Robert. Okay. What's up, Felicia? That's cute. Only here to support this lovely Black channel. Thank you for the info. Thank you so much. I appreciate that so much. Okay, let's get into the next one. This is Melvin McCentry. That's cute. I like that. Oh, what? Oh no. Oh. What? Oh no. You said, okay, he said this is Sprint, not Siri. Wow. Okay, well, this is a cute chat. Oh no, girl, I done messed up, honey. This is a cute stock right here. SPNT. Dang. Well, let's look at Siri then. Ooh, that is so terrible. Girl. I mean, this stock is kind of giving the same thing. It's trading in between a zone. So you're seeing some resistance right here at about 650. You're seeing some support at $6. So it does have some room to grow at $6.31. So it could go up. I don't know if it's going to go up to $7. It would just take a lot of volume. You see right here how you have a lot of volume. The RSI has room to grow. So we'll see. But right now, I think you're just waiting on volume. So we'll see with that one. So sorry if I did the wrong one. And speaking of that one, let me go ahead and get into my last one. And this is going to be Amtx. Okay, that is so crazy. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I really like this stock because it's uptrending, you know, pretty good. This one, actually, I kind of have some question marks about this one. This one is a maybe, and I would say wait. The reason why is because obviously you see it's been uptrending, you know, since late February. Clearly higher highs, higher lows. You see a previous point of support right here. It hit that back on the 29th of March. So that's about 1950. We're at 18.99 right now. So it did kind of drop a little bit below there. That's why I said wait. You see this trend line right here? I love this little automatic support and resistance trend line. You know, what do you call this? Study indicator, whatever I put it right here in Thinkorswim, this is my go-to. Also looking down here, the RSI is looking oversold, so she clearly has room to go up right now. We'll see what she has to do, but another reason why I put this one on a wait is because look at the MACD. So just like a previous stock that we were talking about, this distance from the MACD and the signal from the center line, you see how it kind of dropped there. So before, when you had your higher highs and higher lows, you know, it was kind of trading, you know, a little bit above that. But right here, it traded below it. So we'll just see the bigger you know, it's just like a giant. The bigger you fall, you know, the more it's gonna take to get back up. So we'll see. That's why I said wait. This might be a long, you know, maybe a long call. See about it. If not, look into some spreads, puts, iron condors, something about a butterfly or something like that. I love all of the different plays that you can do with option contracts. And okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the last of mine. And we've been on here for 44 minutes. So that's it for that. We have one more. This is going to be from Terrell P22. Thank you so much for $2 super chat. So let me change this. Woof, that's cute. Okay. Let me change this here. And put it over here. Okay, so looking at this right now, this stock is in a bearish trend right now. It was at a high. This is back in January 14th. So about mid New Year, top of the year, it was trading okay. I mean, even back then the RSI was kind of low for the time. Drop, still dropping, trying to move up, drop, trying to move up, drop. There's not a lot of price movement. It could drop. You could see. So one thing that would maybe be profitable right here is, I would say, maybe an iron condor, because if she keeps moving sideways like it's doing right here, it's been doing that since, you know, the 30th. So this would have been a great time to do an iron condor in between these prices right here. In between, you know, maybe a 2070, 2050-ish, and 20, what's that, 23? Something to try. I like it. The MACD is looking good. RSI is in the middle. So it could keep going up. It could drop a little bit. We'll see where it goes. It really just depends on the volume and, you know, the buy and sell action. But yeah, it's definitely in a bearish move right here. It's been doing that all year. So there we go. Where do you find the settings for the, oh, I'm gonna do a video on that. It's a little bit. Can you look at Visa? All right, I'll do one more. I can do Visa, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna wrap this up, okay? Because I'm about to go get some food. Your girl's hungry. All right. Capitalized. All right. So we got it there. Got it over there. So let's get it over here. Visa. Is it Visa? That's not a stock. Or if it, oh, okay, it's V. Can you put the ticker symbol, please? Thank you. Hold on, let me change this. Thank you. Okay, so we're doing V. All right, so this is cute. Now let's look at it. So, you know, I'm not going to say it's too much in an uptrend, but there's definitely some consistency in between the patterns. She's going up, dropping, coming up, dropping. You know, I'm seeing some resistance right here around 215. Now, it's kind of expensive. You know, you're moving up big stocks there. You know, she is uptrending right here. She's been doing that since February, like mid-February, February 19th, whatever. Higher highs. The lows are kind of, you know, higher lows, but you are seeing some resistance and support and resistance here. So like I said previously, you see when the stock just hit that high, you already know it's gonna drop. Right now, would I get into this stock? No. Even though the MACD is looking good, the price is trading above the EMA lines, because it just hit this high, the RSI is really high, I would, if you have it, I might sell out, take your profits. If you're thinking about getting into it, wait until you see this RSI become oversold again. Then, you know, wait until you see a crossover with this MACD again right here. Boom, go ahead and get in there, buy low, sell high. Can't go wrong with that. But $200, that's a lot. Does this have options? I'm sure. Okay, it does. So you can do an option contract. You know, you can do some with that. Make some moves. So, okay, you guys. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to wrap it up for tonight. I feel like we went over a few good stocks this week. They all pretty much look great. Oh, okay. Wow, you guys are really clicking that thumbs up button. If you guys found any value from this live, please make sure that you click that thumbs up button. click that thumbs up button. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so that you get notified anytime we go live, anytime I have a new video for you guys. And yeah, we just hit our 1 year anniversary, and right now I feel like we're on our road to 100,000 subscribers. I want to get some more plaques on this wall. So you see right here we have the Welcome to the Grammys plaque for my first instrumental album. I don't know if you guys knew that, music producer. And then our 5,000 subscriber plaque. So I'm ready for that 100K. So let's go ahead and let's get there. All right, you guys. Hey, thank you. What's up? What's up, Z? All right. Mikhail, that's cute stock. Should be on your. Really? I'm gonna write that down. That's a cute stock. I'll think about that. Okay. I'll think about that. We'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that up. I'm about to go get some food. Your girl's hungry, and yeah. All right. Good night.